guys! In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of a lip gloss that I just got in the mail from Amazon. It's super cheap. It's from the brand Wet n Wild. It looks just like this. It was like $190 something, I think, or one something. I'm gonna put the price somewhere here, or maybe in the description. Yeah, I'll put it in the description below and on the screen, whatever. But yeah, I haven't opened it yet. I'm just now, gonna try it out on camera for my first impressions of this. I've tried Wet n Wild stuff before, I think. Like I had some type of liquid lipstick thing, and I thought it was just lip gloss, but then when I had it, when I tried it on, I was like, this is freaking lipstick. I don't really like to wear lipstick, y'all. So we're gonna try this out now. Let me open this up, you guys. I want to make this video kind of short because my laptop right now is doing some updates, and I want to make sure that I'm there so my laptop doesn't turn off, because that happened last time and that was a mess. But yeah, let me try to hurry up and do this video. Oh, I forgot to mention, I got this in the flavor Cotton Candy. This is so pretty. I freaking love this pink. You guys, pink is my favorite color. I like pink, blue, red, all those colors, but pink is like my all-time favorite color. Okay, let me open this up. I thought I was gonna get like some ASMR from opening this, opening this, but whatever. Is it like, I'm so sorry. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. I thought I smelled something. Okay. To me, this looks like it's just gonna go on clear because of how sheer it is. Like, you can obviously see the applicator inside. I feel like this looks kind of weird. Okay. But yeah, that looks just like this. I want to smell it first. It smells like cotton candy. Yeah, it smells really good. I'm pretty sure this is like one of those lip glosses that you get from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, very thin gloss. Yeah, it's a very, very thin gloss. This is probably like one of those glosses that you wear over a lipstick. It's not thick at all. It's like very thin, not sticky. It feels more like an oil than a gloss, but it smells so good. It does really smell like cotton candy, like sugary. It doesn't taste like anything though. Yeah. Feels good. Smells good. I definitely do recommend. I would recommend using this, I guess. If you don't like, I would recommend this to anyone who doesn't like super thick glosses, and like you don't want too much pigment or like a tint on your lips. This is like easy everyday wear lip gloss. As you can see, there's no tint. But yeah, definitely recommend if you like thin, almost like oily, like lip glosses. Yeah. Yeah, you guys, this is the only product I'm talking about, so it's not going to be a very long video anyway. But yeah, this is going to be the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.